GH, I love you still, and you know I always will. Till the end of time, I won't change my mind.
Teacher told me to turn on my camera. Okay.
Ready to weld on this fucking tractor.
7/10 will hold. 6/10 inconsistent, but will also hold.
What that?
Fuck.
I redid the sculpture from the tutorial. I think this looks much better. What do you think?
So you think you can weld stainless steel, huh, son? Well, let's see it then. Is that gonna work for you? Yep, that's gonna do just fine.
I'm a welder boy, just trying to make it. I'm a welder boy, just trying to lay down.
First time welding a banana looks pretty good.
Wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like